screaming the thing. Grabbing the rev limiter as they come over the hill. Comes into view now. Turbo whistling away. And the difference in the traction of the front wheel drive car. As he went round the hairpin. Brilliantly held all the way round in the American cutting tools sponsored Evo, sponsored by Pirelli and Speedline. They come into view now. Between them and BMW rear wheel drive challenge. I think she's only just about 22, 23 now, but gaining experience and becoming a very well respected co-driver. Brought back from this museum in 2012, this car. It was sat in the Mitsubishi Museum and they brought it back. They're doing tarmac this year in 2005 for a time. From Toaster, right here from Chepstow. Very aggressive anti-lag system alongside him. They now have a Ford Focus. Work spec car that was put together in 2009. Actually won the event in 1993 in a Lotus Sunbeam, believe it or not, Somerset stages. Now that doesn't look like a Subaru to me. Combination, son driving, father co-driving. Snakes its way up over the hill. Absolutely mortified they've changed the rear wing on it.